Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable lock screen wallpaper services on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, just tap on change wallpapers. Now just scroll down and tap on wallpaper services. Now from here, just scroll down. Now from here, instead of dynamic lock screen, just select none. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apply. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully disabled the lock screen wallpaper services on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can disable lock screen wallpaper services on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.